against laser marking, which should you choose? Engraving and laser marking sound like twins, but they couldn't be more different. People always ask me, which one is right for my part? Engraving is the tough guy. It's real cutting with CNC tools, digging deep into metal or plastic. The result? Bold, 3D, durable, then years later, it still won't fade. Perfect for the tactile folks who want their logo to pop, literally. Laser marking, that's the futuristic one. A quick flash of lights and voila, your design appears. Great for serial numbers, QR codes, logos, fast, clean, and no mess. The only catch, you can see it, but not really feel it. It's subtle, but trust me, it's there. Engraving uses blades, great for both texture blending. Laser marking uses slides, perfect for slick, fast, high volume jobs. Engraving leaves texture, laser marking leaves traces.